Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if this is your first time here, what we do are tutorials around project management and productivity software, things like Notion, Evernote, ClickUp, and Obsidian. So today I just want to talk to you a little bit about the Notion Pro plan. So the Pro plan was Notion's cheapest plan. It was $5 per month and it allowed you to upload files of any size. But at the beginning of the year, it appears as though Notion discontinued that plan and the current cheapest plan is a Plus plan, which is $10 per month. But that's not quite true if you know where to look, and that's what we're going to go over today. So here we have the Notion website pulled up, and if we go to pricing, you can see that we have the free plan, and then we have the Plus plan, which is $10 a month or $8 if you sign up annually. The Pro plan is not listed anywhere here. You scroll to the bottom, there's nothing down here either. And if we go over to the Mac version, the Mac app, and go to settings and upgrade, and we have the same options. It's just the free plan and then the Plus plan. And there's education plan, but there's no Pro plan. So here we are in Notion's iPhone app. So if you click on settings, then we have the option to upgrade to Pro, and you can upgrade to that for $5 per month. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can get 5 years of Notion Plus for only $19. They've got a special going on where if you're a startup, you can get a $500 credit. So if you like this video, then subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.